Welcome to Come Fry With Me. I have got with me the Xiaomi Airfryer. I have got some ingredients to make a pizza, and I have the Xiaomi Home app which has the ingredients on there and the recipe on there for me. So I've got myself a little pita bread because I'm cheating. I'm not making the base because I'm lazy, and I want this to be really quick and easy, so I'm going to chop that in half, do half a meaty pizza, half a vegetarian pizza, so I have some nice spicy Spanish chorizo. I've got some lovely sun-dried tomatoes to go on top of there, some basil, bit of mozzarella. Going to spice it up with a little bit of Tabasco sauce as well. Hopefully both halves of the pizzas will turn out beautifully in the air fryer. The recipe and the instructions for this can be found on the app. So if you go into Xiaomi Home, let me come a little bit closer to show you, you can click on more recipes at the bottom here, and then it gives you a whole list of recipes: onion rings, crispy tofu, all sorts. This one has the pizza on here. So it says cooking time 12 minutes, which is absolutely fantastic, so that shouldn't take long at all. It gives you some ingredients as options and some tips and the procedure, so your actual recipe, how to go about doing this, and obviously a picture of the finished article. Now it does say you can switch out your ingredients according to your personal taste and the ingredients you're using, so I am doing just that. I have switched it out a little bit, so this one had sausage and vegetables and things on. I'm going for the Spanish chorizo, the sun-dried tomatoes. We'll see how it turns out. I'm hoping it will be very, very tasty. Watch this space. Alright, so I have made my pizzas. I'm hoping they're good. One half is the chorizo goodness, one half is the lovely vegetarian with the sun-dried tomatoes and basil and whatnot. Next, on the app here, it does let you do things very, very easily. So I'm just going to click on Start Program here, and it will set the cooking temperature and everything for me. I'm going to click Preheat because it's not yet preheated, and click on Start. Now it tells me it will take 12 minutes. It's just preheating now, and as soon as that's finished preheating, I can shove my pizzas in there and we can get cooking. This is very exciting. Oh, and in addition to that, for the record, it is 2 o'clock currently, so I've just started preheating this at 2 o'clock. I know with my conventional oven it would take about 20 minutes to get to 180 degrees. Not sure how long this will take, but I'll find out very shortly. Alright, it's actually just beeped at me that it's finished preheating. Literally just gave me enough time to move my ring light from one side to the other. It's 2:01, so that actually preheated to 180 degrees in a minute. Let's get the pizza in. Okay, so all you need to do, obviously, pop open your little thing here. You will see in here there are 2 little trays. So I'm going to fish them out for you. So you've got the basic tray at the top. Let me move them out of the way. And then there is another grill tray at the bottom. This is beautiful because it allows you to cook things in 2 layers. So I'm going to pop that back in there. On top of there, I'm going to stick the lovely vegetarian pizza. I'm trying not to spill too much of it. And then I'm going to pop the second tray on top. Lovely. And on top of that, I'm going to pop pizza number 2, the one with the chorizo on top. Voila! Let me bring you in a little bit closer so you can see. Yum, yum in my tum. So this hopefully will literally take 12 minutes, and we'll be away. I'll pop it back in, and it will automatically restart for me, so no need to do anything else. Off we go. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a pizza. Underneath, we have another one which just looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Alright. Right, so in conclusion, it turns out I am a master chef because my pizza looks absolutely amazing. Air fryer, thank you, that was incredibly simple. It took me about 10 minutes to prepare, it took me 12 minutes to cook. Fresh pizza, see if it's any good. You're hot, but it's nice.